Hello, grade 8s and 9s. Today we're going to look at percentages. And in the percentages, we're going to look at the percentage calculation. Let's look at an example here. Um, Calculate the percentage of Lunga's marks if he obtains the following. Now, for maths, Lunga, he got 36 out of 50. Now, we want to figure out what is his percentage in maths test. So what do? We calculate the percentage. So we'll say 36 as it's written on his script. 36 divided by 50 multiplied by 100. And then it's going to be what? 72% when you punch that in the calculator, right? And now let's calculate his marks for natural science. He got 51 out of 60. Now we're going to do the same. Calculating his percentage. We'll say 51 divided by 60 with times by what? By 100. When you punch that in the calculator, 51 divided by 60, and it's what? It's 85%. So he both passed very well for his subjects. Now, let's look at another calculation when we calculate the percentage for an amount, right? Percentage for an amount. Now here it says calculate the 30% of 660, right? The 30% of 650. So we will say here 30 divided by 100. We take the percentage and divide by 100 and then times it by what? 660. So when we do that in the calculator, we say 30 divide by 100 and then we times by what? 660. It's going to be what? 98 rand. So the 30% of 660 is 198, sorry, right? And then another one, it says a 23.5% of 150. So we'll do the same. We'll say 23.5 divided by 100 and then we times by 150. So 23.5 divided by 100 times by 150. So it is what? It's 35.25, right? Get the percentage increase and the percentage decrease. For example, it says calculate the percentage of 750 rands increase by 12%. So what we do now, this means that the 750 is going to be more and more by 20%. So this is what we do. The first we say 12% of what? Of 750 rands. And then we'll say 12 divided by 100 we times by what? 750. So 12 divided by 100 times by 750 is 90 rand. So the 750 is going to increase by 90 rand. So the new amount now it will be 750 plus 90 rands, so it will be 840 rands, right? Alternatively, you can calculate it this way on one. Calculating the new amount, you can say 100% plus 12%. So this 100% stands for 750 plus 12%, which is 90 rand, but we don't know the 12% is 90 rand yet. And then you times by what? 750. So your answer will be 840 in one go. Now let's look at the example 2. It says calculate the percentage of 1450 decreased by 35%. So this is what you do. You say new amount. What will be this amount? So it will be 100% plus 35%. You divide by 1000 and then you times by 1000 1,450. So the amount it will be, if you punch it in the calculator, it's 135 divided by 1000, you times by 1,450. So it will be 1,957.5. Right? Alternatively, alternatively, what you can do, you can calculate which is the 35% first of 1,450. Sorry, you say 35 divided by 100, you times by 1,450. Right? So the answer there, it will be 507.5. And then the new amount now, this amount, when it increased by 35%, it will be 1,450 plus 507.5. It makes 1,957.5. Guys, I hope it makes sense. That's the percentage. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like all my videos and share with your friends. Don't watch my video without liking it. Thank you.